When a drift legend teams up with a top performance brand, you expect something special. This isn't just a shift knob, it's a piece of racing heritage you can bolt right into your daily driver. We're talking about the Mishimoto limited edition Chris Forsberg shift knob, and honestly, the execution here is fantastic. Right out of the box, the quality is immediately apparent. This knob is CNC machined from billet 6061 aluminum, then given a clean silver anodized finish. That 6061 aluminum is the standard for durability and precision, ensuring this thing will last longer than your car probably will. The exterior finish is smooth, and the shape is a classic, comfortable round knob, simple, effective, and timeless. Let's talk about the feel. At 66 mm tall and 48.4 mm wide, it's compact and fits perfectly in the palm. But the weight is the interesting part, 4.9 ounces. That's relatively light. If you're used to heavy, weighted knobs that rely on momentum to slam into gear, this is a different experience. The Forsberg knob is designed for precision and quickness. It gives you direct feedback, making every shift feel crisp and intentional, which is exactly what you want when you're focused on fast inputs. Mishimoto made sure this fits almost anything. They include adapters for M8 by 1.25, M10 by 1.25, M10 by 1.5, and M12 by 1.25 applications. That versatility means whether you drive a Honda, a Nissan, or a Subaru, you're covered. And because it's Mishimoto, you get that incredible lifetime warranty, which is just peace of mind you can't put a price on, especially on a limited edition piece. Ultimately, this is a premium, driver-focused piece of kit. It looks amazing, feels precise, and carries the weight of a legendary collaboration. If you want a lightweight, high-quality knob that elevates the driving experience and adds a touch of limited edition style, this is absolutely worth grabbing before they disappear.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.